Hello. So today we are going to learn how to draw and sketch this crown braid. So this one, when I'm done, you will see it's kind of like a hat. So at the right hand side it's a little bit straight line, so I already marked it before that, and then I'm trying to connect that. Now I'm doing V shape, and this is the middle line. As much as thick braid you want, you can make it. It just depends person to person, whatever you really like. If you want thicker one, you can make a little bit apart from each other. If you want skinnier one, you can make less space between two lines. So these are the places where I'm going to color dark. So I really like to draw them before I will sketch, so I can repeat my strokes over here, so then it will be a little bit dark. So these are the lines. When I'm sketching, I will know which direction I have to sketch. So these are the strokes I'm going to use again and again in my this sketch. So when I'm done with this one, I will blend, and again I will do the same thing. Again I will blend, again I will do that. So it will give you darker shade. If you want to do lighter shade, use the lighter color pencil, sketch pencil. And if you want darker shade, you can use third time darker, or you can use the same pencil. It will give you a little bit darker shade. So every time I will sketch and blend, and again I will sketch, then again I will blend. These are the areas where I'm going to color dark. So I really like to draw them, and sometimes I really like to color them before I will sketch. So then I will know that where to do it little bit dark, even though if I'm sketching on the top, it will be dark. So when I'm drawing these dark areas, I'm trying to make sure I'm not repeating the same pattern, whatever I'm done before. Now I'm going to use my darker pencil, like a sketch pencil. If you have 8B, 9B or 7B, you can use according to your drawing if you really like the dark shade. I really like in this drawing a dark pencil because when I will erase and highlight some of the hair strand, it will pop up. So that's the reason I'm using my dark pencil. So this time when I'm blending, I'm trying to do it very softly because I want lighter shade of the gray, almost like a white, but I do not want white at the same time. So when I erase these parts, I blend it very softly. So this is the place where you can draw ear or hair or ear stud, earrings, whatever you really like. I did small earring, but you can draw ear stud if you like it and draw the ear. I really like a small earring with the hair, so I did that way.